Welcome, my people. Me there again once more. Big up, respect, and manners to each and everyone. Yeah, I want to send a big up respect to all of my viewers and subscribers within the country that is known as Guyana. You see it? Yeah, me have some loyal viewers and subscribers. Yeah, see it? All right, my people. So now I got information about an incident that happened within the country of Guyana, where it is said that two men was taken into police custody and they had been charged for the attempted murder of a man. Now, it is said that those two persons was involved in a fight with a man over what is said to be a pig, viewers and subscribers. Pig. Allegedly, it is said that one of the accused used a knife to stab the victim, causing organs from inside of the victim's body to protrude, viewers and subscribers, or coming out of the victim's body, as how some persons might say. Now, based on information that I got, and I'm going to say allegedly, it is said that within the month of March, the year 2023, the victim and one of the accused was involved in a confrontation, and during the confrontation, someone allegedly hit the other person. I really didn't get any confirmed information as to who hit who first. So allegedly it is said that at some point, some form of scuffle developed between those two persons, and allegedly it is said that the other person, who is also considered as one of the accused, joined in or got involved in the situation. Allegedly it is said that one of the accused used a knife to stab the victim, causing organs from the victim's body to protrude. Now, someone sent me a video that shows the injured person, viewers and subscribers, and a part of the video shows when at least the two persons was carrying that injured man. And in my point of view, I think that they were helping or assisting that injured man to get some form of medical attention or to go to hospital or something, because the video clearly shows that the person was badly injured, viewers and subscribers. So it is said that the victim was taken to a medical facility or a hospital, and last information that I got is that the victim was getting some medical attention, viewers and subscribers. Now, I don't have any confirmed information about the victim's health, but it is said that two persons was taken into custody and they had been charged for the attempted murder of a man. And it is said that the incident or the situation was over some form of missing pig or a missing pig. See? A pure madness are going all over the world, viewers and subscribers. That's why I'm the kind of person rather talk about positive things and try to think positive and listen to positive music and so on. You see me? I mean, I mean disrespect to nobody and then belief or so on. You see me? Oh yeah, and by the way, I want you, my viewers and subscribers, to check out a music video or a song that had been done by a musician who goes by the name of Axxegen. The title of the song is Too Much Murder, viewers and subscribers. Yeah, the title of the song is Too Much Murder. Yeah, I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video, and when you click the link, that link will take you to the song or the music video on YouTube that goes by the title Too Much Murder, that had been done by Axxegen. Check it out after you finish watching this video, of course, viewers and subscribers. You understand me? Now, I got information that police within the country of Guyana are searching for two men who robbed a business establishment within the country of Guyana. The incident happened within the year 2023, viewers and subscribers, and according to information that I got, it is said that robbers who were wearing masks and what are said to be hoodies held up persons who was inside of a supermarket or a business establishment at gunpoint and robbed them of personal belongings, viewers and subscribers. See? It is said that those persons who are considered as robbers made off with undisclosed sum of money, viewers and subscribers. See? So it is said that the gunmen did not spare one unlucky man who showed up at the business establishment during the robbery. Viewers and subscribers, the incident had been caught on camera. You see me, I saw at least two pieces of videos that shows some things that happened on that day or during the robbery. See, one of those videos actually shows when someone arrived at the entrance of the business establishment or the supermarket during the robbery, and then a person who is said to be a robber approached that person holding something that is believed to be a gun, and that person was either forced or pushed to go inside of the business establishment by the robber. You understand me, viewers and subscribers? Now I'm going to present one of those videos to you so that you can have a better understanding about the whole situation, viewers and subscribers. But before I present this video to you, I want you to please bear in mind that the video that I'm about to present to you is going to show some things that happened during a armed robbery. So before I present the video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
Now they're going to walk. Walk in there. What's your man is walking like people bluffing at your bike?
Tell me no not no going on there. But when you come and get praise safe, Philip, go to a style, you talk and I think that the police follow you.
That's a real gun, Jared.
Alright, so here's where I'm going to leave it. Big up and respect to each and every one. Until next time, my name is Dancehall skilla. Big up.